Okay, let's just take a minute to imagine this and kind of set the scene. You have an office chair. Wait, but it's a couch. You have a commute that goes from your bedroom to the living room and back to your bed. And you're wearing those sweatpants from college with the letters peeling off, or the pants your friends don't know you own. Work at home jobs are a very common thing these days. Remote jobs allow you to live a lifestyle that's more free, with less distractions from your coworkers. Hey guys, I'm Eamon, and if you haven't joined us before, I talk about personal finance tips and how to grow your wealth. So please hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right to the video. The rise of remote work has made it the new normal for companies around the world. It allows employees to work from home, improve their well-being, and even lower costs. There's so many advantages to working from home. One of the biggest advantages of working from home is its flexible schedule. It allows you to take breaks at any time of the day, go outside for a quick walk, or eat lunch at a weird time, just like I do. You can also knock off some of your weekend to-dos, like that laundry pile you have waiting for you or that package you forgot to mail. You have the freedom to go do these things while not having to feel guilty about leaving the office. Work from home even allows you to spend more time with your loved ones. For instance, if you have someone who's sick inside your home, you can stay home and take care of them. You can also get in some extra snuggles with your dog. In this list, I added jobs from every spectrum, whether it be jobs where you don't need any experience or jobs that make a little bit more money but don't need a college degree. With that said, let's get to my 11 picks for work at home jobs that either require little to no experience or no college degree. So flying in at number 1, we have a project manager with an average salary of $75,000 a year, and they can make all the way up to $119,000 a year. A project manager is responsible for ensuring that the entire team is aware of the needs and various projects that they're working on. They also take on a leadership role within the organization, and they use software to keep track of all of the details in the project. This type of job is becoming more and more popular as companies recognize the need for a central person who can keep all of the projects running smoothly. The project manager is usually the one who is responsible for overseeing all the projects that are being worked on by the team. They also work with the other team members to ensure that projects are being completed on time. Other project manager tasks include holding daily stand-up meetings, tracking project budgets, scheduling, developing solutions to meet client requests, and participating in client meetings. To get into a PM role, you can start out as a junior project manager and work your way up. Okay, at number 2, we have a social media manager with a salary that starts around $36,000 and can go all the way up to $81,000. As businesses expand their online presence, they need social media managers and coordinators to help them run their various social media accounts. A social media manager or coordinator is usually responsible for planning and scheduling posts on various social media platforms, as well as writing copy for these posts. They also respond to audience questions, comments, monitor social performance, and implement strategies and campaigns. The title of social media manager can be a variety of things depending on the company. It can be an entry-level position within a small business or a higher-level position that's dedicated to a larger marketing department. If you're looking to become a social media manager, you'll need to have a strong grasp of the platforms that are commonly used, such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Having a good understanding of these platforms will allow you to show your skills and show potential companies that you can be good at managing their social media platforms. Okay, at number 3, we have a graphic designer with a salary that starts around $35,000 and can go all the way up to $71,000. Graphic designers create visuals that help an organization or individual communicate and put forward their ideas. They can design various types of graphics for different applications such as websites and software programs. Graphic designers can design pretty much any visuals a company needs, such as logos, product packaging, infographics, social media images, and even any elements of websites. For this job, I recommend having a small portfolio of your work. A graphic designer can start working on their projects after they have a clear understanding of what their clients or employers want and do it all from the comfort of their own home. Okay, at number 4, we have a virtual assistant with an average salary of $58,000 and it could go all the way up to $92,000. Due to the rise of digital technology, many virtual assistants now have the ability to do their jobs completely online, hence the term virtual. A virtual assistant is a person who works for an organization and can respond to emails, schedule meetings, maintain databases, and perform other clerical tasks online. They can help an individual manage their tasks and responsibilities, such as planning their travel, organizing their calendar, and taking notes for their meetings. This type of job is ideal for people who can work without direction, but are also very organized. Before you start working as a virtual assistant, I want to recommend that you thoroughly read job descriptions and apply carefully. Okay, at number 5, we have a data clerk with a salary of $30,000 and can go all the way up to $53,000. Data entry clerks are responsible for taking information from various sources such as printed documents, or an order form and then entering it into a database, a spreadsheet, or a computer program. They're also likely to check for errors and manually input or verify data for clients. Many companies will hire individuals with a high school diploma or no previous experience at all. Data entry clerks are typically hired on a part-time or freelance basis, and they work from home because majority of the information that companies process is digital. This type of job is ideal for people who are looking for flexible work hours. All right, at number 6, we have a community manager with an average of $44,000 and can make all the way up to $73,000. A community manager is responsible for organizing and moderating the various communities that an organization or brand has on various social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Slack channels. They can also answer questions, add or remove people from groups, and moderate discussions. This type of job is great for individuals who are good at keeping up with various social media activity. Individuals who are passionate about social media and have strong communication skills should be considered for this type of job. People with no previous experience or a degree can definitely get this job. Okay, at number 7, we have a software engineer with an average salary of $126,000. But for this one, I've seen salaries north of, all right, drum roll, please, over $1 million. If you don't believe me, here's a list of companies where you can make over $1 million with stock bonuses included. Software engineers are responsible for using coding to create various programs, websites, and computer systems. They typically work as part of a team, and they spend a lot of time problem solving and troubleshooting issues to make their code work properly. Communication skills and collaboration are also important, as all of this work can be done online, which means companies are hiring fully remote software engineers. Although you don't necessarily need a professional background to get a software engineer job, you should be able to demonstrate that you're capable of handling complex tasks using a variety of programming languages such as JavaScript, Python, and SQL. In order to learn how to code, you can attend a coding bootcamp and grow your skills that way. In an interview, you should be able to demonstrate that you're capable of handling complex tasks, and you should be able to answer various technical questions. Okay, at number 8, we have a customer service representative with an average salary of $35,000 and can go up to $43,000. Customer service representatives are one of the most common types of jobs that people will see when they search for online jobs. These individuals provide customers with the best possible service by answering their questions and helping them resolve their issues. This job is great for people who have a passion for interacting with others and being able to handle situations involving customers who might be a little upset. Warning that this type of job can be a bit challenging for people with young children or other childcare responsibilities. However, there are customer support positions where you can use email or chat where noise isn't a concern. Depending on the company where you work, your duties on top of answering questions and resolving issues may include taking orders, processing payments, making changes to customer accounts, and handling returns. Okay, at number 9, we have a content writer with a salary that starts around $34,000 and can go as high as $76,000. A content writer is someone who focuses on creating long-form content that's focused on educating and informing the public. They typically work for companies that want to increase their brand awareness and reach more potential customers. They can be full-time or part-time employees, and they can even be freelance. A good content writer has the necessary skills to create various types of content for different online mediums. Having a deep understanding of the purpose of content that they're working on will allow you to produce high-quality work. You should be able to research, write in a variety of styles, and have a strong grip on spelling. Okay, at number 10, we have an online tutor with an average salary of $56,000, and they can make all the way up to $80,000. An online tutor is someone who helps students improve their academic performance in a non-classroom setting. They can be hired for individual or small group sessions and provide various services such as study skills, homework assistance, and test prep. Usually, these individuals work with students from different classes and are focused on improving their academic performance. Before you start working as a tutor, make sure that you have the necessary skills to teach either a wide range of subjects or become a master at one subject. You might even want to consider becoming a tutor who can help students from other countries learn your native language. So be honest with yourself, so when you go teach your students, you can help them in the best way possible. All right, last but not least, we have a transcriptionist with an average salary of $58,000, and you can make all the way up to $70,000 as a supervisor. The process of transcribing involves listening to recorded audio and then typing what you hear. There are various types of jobs that are related to this process, such as medical transcription, market research transcription, and legal transcription. Although no experience is required for general transcription, some jobs like medical transcription may require some experience to start out. A successful transcriber has a range of skills, which include typing at a speed of 70 words per minute, some listening skills, time management skills, and attention to detail. All right, guys, those are my top 11 picks for jobs you can get without a college degree or little to no experience. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for future videos. See you guys in the next video. Peace.